Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Box. Tracy here, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So I'm a bit fluffy this morning. I was going to curl it, but you know what life's like. It just has a mind of its own sometimes, so it's just wild, I'm afraid. Just wild me this morning, a Sunday wild day. But I was hoping for a nice lazy day and to catch up with some stuff and videos and all sorts, but it might not be happening now. I don't know. I might have to dash out. So I just have to play it by ear. But I do have a little giveaway later as well. As you know, it's Sunday. Super Sunday giveaway. Okay, let's do the joke before I forget, and I'm bound to mess this one up because my other phone doesn't have any battery life, so I can't. And the neck light is where I was reading. The other one, not sure where the pink one is. Never mind. I did a good deed today by giving up my seat on the bus for an elderly lady. Well, how was I to know that she'd never driven a bus before? Still got my really snazzy envelope here as my place holder. All right, I know it's bookmark. Went through that yesterday. Last night we went to Gary's brother's house for the Thanksgiving dinner. Food, wow. I did have a bit of a food coma, I have to admit, last night. And my stomach felt like it was a gigantic drum where I was kind of feeling bloated and everything else. I'm back to normal this morning, thank goodness for that. I had like an image of myself looking like that Veruca Salt. You know, the one that swelled up. Well, she was the one who swelled up, wasn't she? And floated away like a big blueberry. I've got a feeling she was. But anyway, that's how I felt. If it wasn't her, whichever one it was, that's how I felt. Like a giant, enormous blueberry and like ready to pop. But it's all gone now, thank goodness. It's all back to normal. But we did have to bring some goodies home with us. So that's today is our last day of goodies, and then we're going to get back to the diet tomorrow until the next thing that comes up. So then after Christmas, it's back on it properly for good, you know. But it was nice to have the meal. Honestly, it was food everywhere, you know. I didn't drink, so I drove home. As you know, I don't drink since my cancer. Not that that's what caused my cancer, but it's never coming back thanks to drink. So, you know, I'm not going to give it any encouragement to come back. I do feel like I really need to get it looked at, though, because there's something bothering me, which is probably why my sleep pattern's all up the swanny. But it's a little niggle there in the back of your mind. So maybe that's it. But every 3 hours I'm waking up at the moment. Every 3 hours once I'm asleep. If I wake up and I've slept the night, it's an event worthy of putting on your calendar. So yeah, that's a bit annoying. I keep getting some discomfort. Anyway, I checked my emails and I had the results of my blood test, which I was sure was going to show that I had something evil wrong with me. And it showed that my kidney function and all of those stuff are fine. They're normal. Everything was normal. And then the cow's milk, whatever they look for in your blood, negative. I was so shocked. Because when I eat cheese or things with cream in, I get burning and itching and soreness. So, you know, what's that about then? So it did say that I was, and I knew this, I was allergic to a dander, which comes from animals like dogs and cats. I knew I was allergic to that, but it's a mild thing. So it's not like it's severe or anything like that. All I have to do is take an antihistamine, wash my hands after I fuss Fluffy, and I'm fine. So it's not a debilitating thing or anything. So, yeah, but fancy that. I was sure. I was tired constantly and exhausted a lot, and I was sure that something was going to show up in that blood test that would explain that. So whether the blood test was everything, if they did kidney function, I would have thought they'd do diabetes because of the the way my feet were. So that obviously everything showed normal. I'm normal. Can you believe that? No. Anyway, I do still have to go back for the patch test, which is this next week, I think. After my course has ended, I've then got those. So I've got to go one day, have them on, a couple of days later, have them off. And hopefully that will shed some light on some stuff. Whether I am, I think, don't remember what it said about gluten. But I probably am, if it's not dairy. But then you see, sometimes I have cheese. I don't have any gluten, but then I get that reaction. So I'm really blown away by it. I don't know. It's weird. It is. It's very, very weird. So I'm just going to continue with the treatments that she's given me for all of my problems and go see her when the time's up. But wow, I was very, very shocked about that. Especially with the dairy. That's the one thing that really was the shocker. I thought that would come up. It didn't. So I'm a mystery, an enigma, a puzzle. I am a puzzlement. I am a puzzle. A medical marvel. No, not really. Just fickle. I've got a fickle body. That's what it is. Anyway, one thing's for sure. I'm going to tuck into that cheesecake now. I still have the effects probably, but I know it's not an allergy. So, you know, unless when I do the patch test, something else shows that's in dairy. You know, I don't know. All I know is cow's milk was a no. Okay, so that's that. I don't know what they look for in blood and whether it would show everything or not. Anyway, never mind. I was kind of happy and a bit mystified at the same time when I got those results. So my giveaway might be a bit late. I'm not sure. My videos have been really higgledy-piggledy this last week, and I do have some lovely happy mail to film, but now where I was going to sit and do all this filming, that may now not happen. So it's just one of those things, isn't it? There's always something conspiring against me, and it's just, you know, life, isn't it? Life takes over, and well, it does all the time. It does all the time. Okay, so yeah, we had a great time. Gary had a lovely time, and it was gave River her birthday card, and it's her birthday today, I think. And yeah, because all the pictures on Facebook are on of her little present pile, and so that's cool. But yeah, we had a nice time. Nice to be with Gary's family as well, because his brothers are always fun. And of course I saw Cara, which sorry, this is really hard for me. Kira. It's kind of an American thing. She doesn't like Cara. I can't think why. You know, when you're used to being called Kira, or you know. And she was talking about Daniel Craig, and she calls him Daniel Craig. It's like, well, it's not Craig. If I have to call you Kara, you have to call him Craig. Simples. Anyway, so yeah, I know you guys have probably all had your Thanksgiving, but it was really the only day that we could all get together. And yeah, it's cool. But it is a big blowout, isn't it? Oh, you know, lots of turkey, lots of desserts. We had a plate of desserts. So you got your dinner, and there was like picky bits beforehand. I thought I'm not going to pick too much at them, so I won't have room for anything else. I don't have the capacity I used to have, and to eat it, you know, it's like you get full up quick. So I had a nice size meal, and then I thought that will save room for some dessert. But little did I know, there was a plate coming your way with a selection of desserts on that you had to eat. So we had pumpkin pie, pecan pie, we had cheesecake, and then we had a cheesecake with cherries on, but that's in the fridge, didn't eat that. And there were others. Oh, I can't remember, but there were lots of them. And now we have like a box of cakes that we have to stuff our faces with today and before tomorrow. I know that's not really the way diet works, is it? But whatever. It can't be off it this time of year. So I'm going to open my open with me's my happy mail in a later video, because I have to get this one uploaded in case I can't film anymore today, other than the giveaway. So I can't babble away in the corner for too long. But I will see you later, alligator, and hopefully things will work out and I'll be able to kick back and relax today, hopefully. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the giveaway. Bye for now, guys.